Hey everyone, welcome to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a brand new video on how you can transfer cryptos from your Kucoin to your Coinbase account. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So in order to transfer cryptos from your Kucoin to your Coinbase account, first thing, logged into your Coinbase account. After you're logged into your Coinbase account, tap on the transfer button. As you tap on transfer, two different options appear such as send and receive. So you need to click on receive, and as you click on receive, next interface, you need to select the asset that you want to receive. As soon as you click on the asset, next page you'll be able to see the wallet address as well as the QR code. So select the method that is convenient for you. So you can either save the QR code or you can simply copy the wallet address. Once you're done copying the wallet address, next you need to log into your Kucoin account. As you're logged into your Kucoin account, next you need to click on the wallet tab located in the top right. As you click on wallet tab, a list of options appears. So from there you need to click on main account. As you click on main account, you'll be able to see the asset and you'll need to select the asset that you want to transfer. After you're done selecting the cryptocurrency, next you need to click on withdraw, which will be right in the corner. Next, you'll redirect to the page where you need to provide the amount of cryptos that you want to transfer, and then you need to paste in the wallet address that you recently copied, and then you need to select the network type. Once you're done, click on continue, which is right at the bottom, and for the confirmation you need to double check all of the information provided, and if you're sure about it, tap on transfer now, and you've transferred cryptos from Kucoin to your Coinbase account. And within a couple of hours later, or within 24 hours, you'll be able to get notification on your Coinbase account that you have received cryptos from Kucoin. And that is how you can transfer cryptos from Kucoin to your Coinbase account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.